The remarkable journey of Lux Soap begins inside this world-class factory.
Purity is at 99.8%, and the composition matches the reference standard.
Looks good. Let's approve the batch. The flow rate on tank 3 looks stable.
Confirmed. We are right on schedule for the batch. Gigantic stainless steel mixers begin blending the raw ingredients together. Powerful rotating blades create a perfectly distance. The soap mixture enters a large industrial heating system. Steam jackets gently raise the temperature to the required level.
Check the viscosity reading on screen 3. Reading confirmed, it matches the premium specification. The surface smoothness is holding at 99%.
We are clear for final inspection on this run. 2. Every Lux soap bar passes through an advanced inspection system. High-speed cameras examine the logo, shape, and
Continue on the main highway. Merge right in 5 miles for the distribution center access road.
we are on schedule for the supermarket delivery. Confirmed. Pallet 22 is ready for dispatch.
Look, the yellow soap.
Yes, that one looks nice. We'll take it.